Are your condo and co-op dues skyrocketing through the roof? Floridians are seeing incredible amounts of increases in HOA dues. In some cases, people with fixed incomes may be forced to sell. Since the collapse of the Champlain Towers in Surfside, Florida on June 24, 2021, the state legislature passed a bill unanimously to ensure that this disaster will never happen again. If you live in a condominium or cooperative complex in Florida with 3 floors or more, you will be affected. If your building is within 3 miles of the coastline, 25 years from the initial date of occupancy, a Milestone Inspection Phase 1 will be required. All Florida condominium and cooperative buildings, 3 floors or more, beyond the 3-mile coastline, will have to do a Milestone Inspection Phase 1 at 30 years from the initial date of occupancy. Not only will condo and co-op complexes have the 40 and 50-year inspections, they will have to do inspections every 10 years. By the way, I'm Karen Foster with Signature International Real Estate. I've been doing real estate for 30 plus years. And I know that this new law may sound overwhelming. It may sound horrible and even terrifying. So many complexes have years of deferred maintenance. They all need to catch up on the repairs. Many are being proactive and getting the work done now. This is great. The work needs to be done. The milestone inspection is a visual inspection done by qualified architects and engineers. If a building doesn't pass and does have structural defects, a milestone phase 2 study, a more in-depth study, will be required. Also addressed in the new law is reserves. Currently, some complexes don't even collect reserves for major projects. Some HOAs have voted to only collect money as needed. That is all about to change. The new law requires condo and co-op associations, 3 floors and more, to have reserves for major structural projects. The new reserve study is required to be done every 10 years. SIRS, or Structural Integrity Reserve Study, will make sure the money is collected in advance to deal with structural repairs when needed. I will list those items in the description below. This new law, which I have also provided a link in the description below, will protect people from struggling with major bills and repairs that no one could afford. It is a safety net, much better than dealing with major assessments to handle repairs. Yes, many buildings will have some catching up to do, just like homeowners who didn't put money away for major repairs like a roof. Some co-op and condo owners might have to take out a loan to handle the assessments. Many associations are helping by giving owners a year or so to make the payments. The state is giving all condo and co-op associations until December 31st, 2024 to comply with the new law. The associations will be required to complete the inspections and studies by December 31st, 2024. Although we may end up seeing an extension on this date because there may be issues with all the associations in Florida getting an engineer and architect scheduled by then to do the work. Not only are milestone inspections and the work needing to be completed creating additional costs for HOAs, the rising cost of insurance is making it almost impossible for those on fixed incomes to catch up. Rising insurance rates are affecting all properties in Florida, not just the condos and co-ops. Some homeowners may need to figure out other options, but there are choices. If possible, start right now by putting some money aside each month before the inspections are even ordered. Some owners may perhaps look into a reverse mortgage. If they have lots of equity or own their unit free and clear. Although, when dealing with a reverse mortgage, make sure you're dealing with reputable companies. Other owners may consider selling and getting a new place with taxes and insurance that make it a little more manageable. There are choices for all owners. This law is going to make it tough for some owners for a while, but the housing in Florida will no longer be in disrepair and a danger to residents. More information will be available to buyers and owners alike. More information will be disclosed. There will be more transparency. It will even result in fewer costly assessments. If you have any questions or concerns, please add them in the comments below, and I will try to answer your questions within 24 hours. This video, if it's been helpful, please like below and hit the subscribe button. We do expect changes and additions to the current law. I will update you as information becomes available. I will also do a video on what buyers can expect and what buyers should be looking for when searching for a new place to live. I will do a follow-up video on the responsibility of owners who are planning on putting their unit on the market for sale. Subscribe below if you would like to be notified when my next video with more pertinent information is released. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I truly hope it'll make you better prepared and better informed. Take care and enjoy our incredible paradise.